Several resources exist for sample contracts. The American Institute of Architects, or AIA, offers contract documents. The National Association of the Remodeling Industry, or NARI, provides contracting resources and documents. The Home Builders Institute, or HBI, also offers resources and forms for contractors. When it comes to pricing sources, RSMeans provides building construction cost data. Means offers square foot cost data. Marshall and Swift provide valuation services. Local contractors associations such as NARI or HBI in your area are also valuable resources for pricing information. When considering pricing, it is important to consider these factors. Material and labor costs, overheads, profit margin, and market conditions all play a role. You can also research market rates by gathering data from other contractors, industry publications, and online resources. Specialized software tools are available to help you estimate project costs accurately. It can be helpful to break down the project. Divide the project into smaller tasks and estimate each one separately. Always provide clear estimates. Avoid ambiguous or open-ended language in your estimates. Finally, ensure your pricing reflects the value of your services and covers your expenses. It's important to tailor your contracts and pricing to the specific needs of your business. Seeking professional advice from an accountant or attorney ensures your contracts and pricing are legally compliant. Continuous learning and market research are key to staying competitive in the contracting industry. Pricing in construction involves several key considerations and methodologies. Firstly, understanding direct costs is paramount. These costs include materials, labor, and equipment required for the project. Accurate estimation of material quantities and their prices is crucial. Labor costs should account for hourly rates, including wages, taxes, and benefits. Equipment costs encompass rental or ownership expenses, including fuel, maintenance, and depreciation. Secondly, indirect costs, often overlooked, must be factored in. These costs include overhead expenses such as office rent, utilities, insurance, and administrative salaries. A percentage markup is typically added to direct costs to cover these indirect expenses. The markup percentage varies depending on the company's size, structure, and operational efficiency. Thirdly, a profit margin is added to the total costs, representing the contractor's anticipated profit. The profit margin depends on factors such as market conditions, competition, project complexity, and the contractor's desired return on investment. Competitive bidding often requires adjusting the profit margin to secure the project. Fourthly, contingency planning is essential to account for unforeseen circumstances. A contingency allowance, typically a percentage of the total project cost, is added to cover unexpected expenses such as design changes, weather delays, or material price increases. The contingency allowance should be proportional to the project's complexity and risk level. Fifthly, market analysis plays a vital role in pricing decisions. Understanding local market conditions, including supply and demand, labor availability, and material prices, is crucial. Contractors should research prevailing market rates for similar projects to ensure their pricing is competitive yet profitable. Sixthly, value engineering techniques can optimize project costs without compromising quality. Value engineering involves analyzing project components and identifying opportunities to reduce costs through alternative materials, methods, or designs. Collaboration with architects, engineers, and subcontractors is essential for successful value engineering. Seventhly, documentation and transparency are key to building trust with clients. Contractors should provide detailed cost breakdowns, including itemized lists of materials, labor, and equipment. Open communication with clients regarding cost estimates, changes, and potential overruns fosters transparency and strengthens relationships. Eighthly, using estimating software can streamline the pricing process. Estimating software automates tasks such as quantity take, pricing calculations, and bid preparation. These tools improve accuracy, efficiency, and consistency in pricing. Ninthly, monitoring project costs throughout the construction phase is essential. Regular cost tracking allows contractors to identify deviations from the original budget and take corrective actions. Cost control measures such as change order management, value engineering, and schedule optimization help minimize cost overruns. 10thly, continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for long-term success. The construction industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies, materials, and regulations emerging. Contractors should stay informed about industry trends, best practices, and pricing strategies through professional development, industry publications, and networking. Pricing strategies can vary depending on project types and client preferences. Cost-plus pricing involves charging the client the actual costs of the project plus a markup for overhead and profit. This method is suitable for projects with uncertain scopes or complex designs. Fixed-price pricing involves agreeing on a fixed price for the entire project upfront. This method provides price certainty for the client but requires accurate cost estimation and risk management by the contractor. Time and materials pricing involves charging the client based on the actual time spent and materials used for the project. This method is suitable for small projects or when the scope of work is difficult to define upfront. Unit price pricing involves agreeing on a price per unit of work, such as per square foot or per cubic yard. This method is commonly used for civil engineering projects or when quantities are difficult to estimate accurately. Hybrid pricing models combine elements of different pricing strategies to meet the specific needs of the project and client. For example, a contractor may use a fixed price for certain aspects of the project and cost-plus pricing for others. Successful pricing in construction requires a combination of technical expertise, market knowledge, and business acumen. By mastering these key considerations and methodologies, contractors can ensure their pricing is competitive, profitable, and sustainable. The American Institute of Architects, the AIA, offers a range of contract documents that are widely used in the construction industry. These documents are designed to provide a clear and comprehensive framework for agreements between project owners, architects, contractors, and other stakeholders. The AIA contract documents are regularly updated to reflect changes in legal precedents, industry standards, and construction practices. They are developed by experienced attorneys, architects, and contractors to ensure fairness, clarity, and enforceability. The AIA offers a variety of contract documents tailored to different project types, delivery methods, and contractual relationships. These documents cover a wide range of scenarios, from simple residential projects to complex commercial developments. The AIA contract documents address key issues such as scope of work, payment terms, schedule requirements, insurance coverage, dispute resolution, and termination provisions. They provide a standardized framework for defining the rights and responsibilities of each party involved in the project. Using AIA contract documents can help minimize misunderstandings, reduce the risk of disputes, and promote successful project outcomes. These documents are widely recognized and respected in the construction industry, providing a solid foundation for contractual agreements. The AIA contract documents are available for purchase through the AIA website or authorized distributors. They can be customized to suit the specific needs of each project. The National Association of the Remodeling Industry, or NARI, provides resources and documents specifically tailored to the remodeling industry. These resources are designed to help remodeling contractors manage their businesses effectively and provide high-quality services to their clients. NARI offers a variety of contract documents, including agreements for design-build projects, home improvement contracts, and subcontract agreements. These documents address key issues such as scope of work, payment schedules, change orders, warranty provisions, and dispute resolution mechanisms. NARI also provides educational materials, training programs, and certification programs to help remodeling contractors enhance their skills and knowledge. These resources cover topics such as project management, sales and marketing, customer service, and business ethics. NARI membership offers access to a network of remodeling professionals, providing opportunities for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and business development. NARI members adhere to a code of ethics and standards of practice, demonstrating their commitment to professionalism and integrity. The Home Builders Institute, or HBI, offers resources and forms for contractors in the residential construction industry. These resources are designed to support contractors in managing their businesses and delivering quality homes to their clients. HBI provides a range of contract documents, including agreements for new home construction, remodeling projects, and warranty agreements. These documents address key issues such as scope of work, payment terms, construction schedules, and dispute resolution mechanisms. HBI also offers training programs and certifications to help contractors develop their skills and knowledge in areas such as construction management, building codes, and green building practices. These programs are designed to enhance the professionalism and competence of contractors in the residential construction industry. HBI partners with industry organizations and educational institutions to provide relevant and up-to-date resources for contractors. HBI also advocates for policies that support the residential construction industry and promote affordable housing. RSMeans provides building construction cost data that is widely used by contractors, architects, engineers, and other construction professionals. This data includes detailed information on labor rates, material prices, and equipment costs for various construction activities. RSMeans data is organized by location, allowing users to access cost information specific to their geographic area. The data is updated regularly to reflect changes in market conditions, material prices, and labor rates. RSMeans offers a variety of data formats, including books, software, and online databases. These formats provide users with flexible options for accessing and analyzing cost information. RSMeans data can be used for a variety of purposes, including estimating project costs, preparing bids, negotiating contracts, and managing construction budgets. It is a valuable tool for improving accuracy, efficiency, and consistency in construction cost management. Means also offers square foot cost data, providing a quick and easy way to estimate the cost of building construction projects. This data includes average costs per square foot for various building types, such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Mean square foot cost data is based on historical project data and industry averages. It is adjusted for location, building size, and quality level. This data can be used for preliminary cost estimating, feasibility studies, and budget planning. It provides a useful benchmark for comparing project costs and identifying potential cost savings. Marshall & Swift Valuation Services provides valuation data and software for the insurance, real estate, and construction industries. This data includes information on building costs, property values, and replacement costs. Marshall & Swift data is used by insurance companies to estimate property losses, by real estate appraisers to determine property values, and by contractors to estimate construction costs. The data is organized by location, building type, and construction quality. Marshall & Swift offers a variety of data formats, including software, online databases, and printed publications. These formats provide users with flexible options for accessing and analyzing valuation information. Local contractors associations such as NARI or HBI in your area are valuable resources for pricing information. These associations often conduct surveys of their members to gather data on labor rates, material prices, and overhead costs. This data is then compiled and shared with members, providing them with valuable insights into local market conditions. Local contractors associations also provide networking opportunities, allowing contractors to connect with each other and share pricing information. These associations may also offer educational programs and training courses on cost estimating and pricing strategies. Engaging with local contractors associations can help contractors stay informed about market trends, improve their pricing accuracy, and enhance their competitiveness. Consider these factors when developing your pricing strategy: material and labor costs, overheads, profit margin, and market conditions. Research market rates to gather data from other contractors, industry publications, and online resources. Utilize estimating software to estimate project costs accurately. It helps to break down the project, divide the project into smaller tasks, and estimate each one separately. Provide clear estimates, avoid ambiguous or open-ended language in your estimates. And do not undercut your worth. Ensure your pricing reflects the value of your services and covers your expenses.